like it.
Okay. Ooh, Weaver. Where's Z?
Quick, give it here, come on!
Hi.
Thank heavens you're safe.
So you're not angry at us for trashing the house?
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Back up, everybody! Back up! Give him some air! Back up!
Z. Oh, Z. Please wake up.
Ouch.
Stop cheering, you fools. What? You don't need to leave Elmore. We fixed everything for you. But how could you have fixed all my mess? We got Masami to ask her dad to give your dad a new job as an engineer at the Rainbow Factory.
But my dad isn't
Qualified? You don't need a qualification if you got a made-up magic job. Are you feeling happy, Mr. Cooper?
Yes?
I think what he meant was, yeah!
No, Weaver. You still owe me that dinner.
Baby love.
We made it, see?
You the ant!
You did it.
We did it. Fellas, please. This is very embarrassing for me. On the other hand, I probably could get used to this. There you have it. Your average boy meets girl, boy likes girl, boy changes underlying social order story. So what else can I tell you? We rebuilt the colony. It's even better than before, you know, because now it has a very large indoor swimming pool. Bala and I, incidentally, are thinking of starting a family. You know, just a few kids, maybe $1 million or $2 to begin with. And I'm working with a new therapist, you know, terrific, absolutely terrific. He's been putting me in touch with my inner maggot, which is helping me a great deal. And, you know, I finally feel like I found my place. And you know what? It's right back where I started. But the difference is, this time, I chose it.